you today?
Good. How are you? What?
Good. Hey. Oh,
Why did you do that?
I am really sorry. Well, I actually didn't slap you. I just kind of high-fived your face.
Okay, that sounds reasonable enough.
Yeah. See, now we're friends again, right?
Yay! Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you today? Good. Ow! Ah! Why would you do that?
Oh, I didn't kick you though. You were just in my way while I was walking.
Sounds reasonable enough.
So we're friends again?
I guess.
Yay! Hey.
Oh, hello.
Hi, how are you today?
Well, I have a hurt shin and I have a slap on my face, but otherwise I'm doing fine.
Oh, that's good.
I'm fairly sure that you're the one who high-fived my face. Quite a joke, that. Anyways. Manta! There's no one there. It's a ghost. Ghost! Excuse me, are you tapping me? Are you making me believe in ghosts?
No, that wasn't me tapping you. You see, it was just Mr. Nobody over there. Do you see him?
No, but sounds reasonable.
So we're friends?
Yes.
Yay!
Yay! La 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 la! Ow!
Hello again.
Hi. No kicking. No kicking.
Oh, don't worry. I broke my toe last time I tried that.
Oh, that's good. I mean, your toe is not good, but you not kicking is good.
Yes, I understand what you're saying.
Okay. Ow! What in the world?
Well, I wasn't poking you in the eyes. I was just doing that I'm watching you thing, but without pointing at myself first.
Sounds reasonable. Why were you watching me?
Because you're you're very interesting.
Sounds reasonable. Yay!
We're friends! Ooh, that was a good run.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
How are you?
My face hurts.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that.
I don't believe in ghosts anymore, just so you know.
Oh, okay. That's nice information.
Oh, my nose.
I am really, really sorry. Will you accept my apology? Well, I'll just tell you this. When I sneeze, it's kind of my reflex to go like this. Achoo!
And not easy on the sore nose. But that sounds reasonable.
So we're friends?
Yes.
Yay! Hello.
Quit it, will you?
Well, I was just stretching.
Doesn't sound reasonable at all. You're running out of excuses, by the way.
What? Running out of excuses for what?
Hurting me. Don't pretend like you haven't been.
I think my mom's calling. Bye!
Hello. Again. Okay, you two, quit it and get out of my life. Well, I'm not as stupid or, interesting as I seem. Revenge is mine!